Manipur today reported 2 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the tally to 34. Of these, 30 are active cases, while 4 have been cured and discharged. According to Dr. Khoirom Shashikumar Mangang, Additional Director and Spokesperson, Manipur Health Department, 2 more COVID-19 cases were detected last night at the VRDLS of RIMS and Jenims. The 33rd case is a male aged 26 years from Chuchampur district and is now in an isolation facility of District Hospital, Chuchampur. The 33rd case is a male aged 26 years from Churachandpur district and is now in isolation facility of District Hospital, Churachandpur. The 34th case is also a male aged 21 years from None district and will be shifted to COVID care facility RIMS. Domestic flight operations at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport resumed from today under standard operating procedure. Flight services were suspended across the country due to global COVID-19 pandemic since March 25th. An Indigo flight from Delhi via Guwahati landed at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport in Imphal, bringing back 95 passengers around 10:30 am. Another Air Asia flight from Delhi via Guwahati also landed around 11:20 am. Unknown miscreants hurled stones and attacked with swords at a Manipur-bound special train in Bihar. The train carrying stranded Manipuris left MOA train station Goa on May 21st, sources said. The incident took place at Barauni train station junction of Begusarai in Bihar last night around 9. Meanwhile, the train resumed its journey after a 48-hour delay. The goons tried to enter inside the train, pelting stones and holding swords. However, no one was injured in the attack. Air travel resumed from today across the country, and many of the states have opted to set their own rules instead of following the centre's guidelines for departing and disembarking passengers. States have announced varied quarantine and self-isolation rules for arriving passengers. India is now among the top 10 worst-hit countries with the largest number of coronavirus cases, according to media reports. With the total number of coronavirus cases now reaching 138,845 in the country, India now has climbed to the 10th position in the list of nations that have been severely affected by the coronavirus pandemic. India recorded a total of 6,977 cases and 154 deaths in the last 24 hours. Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam District W. Manglenganba Chenglai yesterday issued an order to seal the community quarantine center open at Jiribam Higher Secondary School and declared the center as containment zone. The order was issued after a man aged 32 years from Dolakai in Jiribam District has tested positive for COVID-19. Mummy Taibang Media and Entertainment Private Limited launched the first ever Manipuri Movies iOS app, Mummy Taibang Movies app today. With the app, anyone can stream and download Manipuri movies, Sumang Lilas, documentaries, short films, etc. at the cheapest rate and with the best deals. Assam has also been witnessing a surge in COVID-19 positive cases. The state has registered 427 cases till now. Among the 33 districts, only Dhimaji district is not affected by the outbreak. Quarantine centers in Kamrup and Hojai has reported the highest number of COVID-19 cases. So far, 39,000 stranded people have reached the state from various parts of the country.